What is good, YouTube? Hope you guys are having a good day. Just wanted to come up here and make a quick little educational slash hack slash tip video on trading or day trading slash forex. So on GBP JPY, I've been noticing this little movement that happens in certain time, and it happens all the time. Every single day I've been looking for this move, and it happens every single day. But what I'm trying to say here is do not gamble it and do not just randomly execute the market in that certain time just because you would expect that same move every day. But look for it, have confirmation with confluences, then you can enter. But if it's, for example, if the trend is bearish or trend is against that movement and you execute, you're basically gambling. But in that certain time, if you look for more confirmation and with the right execution, the right formula, you will catch pips. So on GJ, London opens, right? London opens here. My time is California time. My time, London opens at 12 in the morning, 12 a.m. And then the move happens at 1 o'clock, 1 or 1:30 a.m. So for example, London open, we were bearish, right? Look at the timing. The timing is 0, which is 12 in the morning, London open. Bearish, 1:30 bearish, 1 o'clock hits, bullish. So this is the move that I'm talking about. So every single day at 1 in the morning till 1:30 and all the way up with the right volume, price will change to bullish. So as you guys can see here, we changed to bullish. And it was almost 100 pip move, right? So that happened at 1 o'clock. So let me show you guys another example. I'll do multiple examples so you guys could see. So London open, bearish, still bearish at 1 in the morning. At 1:30, we're up 57 pips, right? 53 pips. Let's do another example. London opens are bearish, bearish, bearish. And this is why I said that you can't just expect it all the time. So here is a good example of that. 1 in the morning, bearish, 1:30 bearish, 1:30 bearish, 2 o'clock bearish, and then 2:30 bearish. You can't just expect buys all the time, and you can't just randomly buy at 1 o'clock. You have to use confluences, and you have to use more confirmation. And let's go and look for another example. So for example here, 1:30, obviously we're bullish here, but with 1:30 or 1 o'clock volume, we should move up. 1 in the morning, 1:30. So the 1 in the morning move came in and it pushed it 57 pips. Let's look for another example. London open, 30, 1 o'clock, 1 o'clock to, so 1 o'clock all the way to 2. We pushed up 25, 27 pips. So let's look at it in a random time here. So let's look at it in this bearish market, right? This was very bearish. So let's go to 30 minutes. So 30 minutes. So 1 o'clock hits, right? London open, bearish, 12:30 bearish. 1 o'clock hits, still bearish. And then 1:30. Let's see how much we pushed up. 50 pips. Let's look at one more example. 1:30, bearish, bearish. London open bearish. Before bearish, bearish, bearish. 1 o'clock hits, bullish. 80 pips. And you guys could backtest this multiple times, and you can also look for it in the live market at 1 o'clock, 1:30, which is 1 hour after London Open. For me, it's 1 o'clock in the morning. And look for it and make sure you guys use it with multiple confluences and do not gamble it. And it does happen in the market all the time. Like I've showed you guys multiple example, but that doesn't mean that you could just buy randomly at that time. Other than that, guys, make sure to follow me on Instagram at FXLRGBP. Make sure you guys are subscribed, liked, and make sure you guys comment down below if you guys learned anything from this video. Other than that, I'm out. Thank you guys so much.